Panite. Panite is an exceptionally rare borate mineral discovered in Myanmar. This mineral has a distinctive orange-red to brownish-red color and contains trace amounts of vanadium and chromium. Its rarity and unique coloring make Panite a sought-after and valuable mineral. Panite crystals that can be used in jewelry are even rarer than the mineral itself. The crystal must exhibit an appealing color, size, and clarity to be considered for use in jewelry, further limiting the available supply of desirable specimens. Red beryl. Red beryl also occurs in topaz-bearing rhyolites. They are produced by crystallizing under low pressure and high temperature from a numetallitic phase along fractures or within near-surface cavities of the rhyolite. Red beryl is estimated to be over 1,000 times rarer than diamonds. This scarcity contributes to its value and desirability among collectors and enthusiasts. Black opal. Black opals are known for their dark body tone. They exhibit a vibrant array of colors when exposed to light. The oval cut enhances the visual appeal of the stone and is considered attractive in jewelry settings. Alexandrite. Alexandrite is known for its unique ability to change color in different lighting conditions. In daylight or fluorescent light, the gemstone typically appears green to bluish-green, while under incandescent light, it shifts to a reddish-purple or purplish-red hue. Taida. Taida is the first mineral to contain both magnesium and beryllium. It also shows the property of double refraction. These crystals are typically small, and gem-quality crystals over a few carats are rarer. Larger and high-quality specimens are particularly valuable due to their scarcity. Blue garnet. Like alexandrite, blue garnet has color-changing properties. In daylight, it appears green, while under incandescent light, it shifts to a purplish-red or purplish-pink hue. The color change in blue garnet happens because of trace amounts of vanadium and chromium. These trace elements affect the absorption spectrum of the gemstone. Rhodium. Rhodium is majorly used as a three-way catalytic converter in automobiles. Due to its scarcity and resistance to corrosion, it is often alloyed with palladium. Additionally, rhodium is occasionally used to plate a thin layer over white gold, enhancing its appearance. Platinum. Platinum is one of the rarest metals in the Earth's crust, with only 0.005 parts per million in the Earth's crust. It is found in small quantities, and its deposits are often located in geologically complex and challenging environments, which adds to the complexity and cost of mining. Platinum is the least reactive metal with high resistance to corrosion, even at high temperatures. It is usually found chemically uncombined as native platinum. Gold. Gold is a dense transition metal and one of the least reactive metal elements that often occur in free elemental form. As of today, more than 205,238 tons of gold is present above ground. Gold's unique physical and chemical properties make it highly desirable. It is resistant to corrosion, does not tarnish, and has a distinctive luster. Methamphetamine. It's an illegal, most addictive drug that causes adverse changes in brain structure and function and can damage neurons in the central nervous system. It is often produced illegally in clandestine labs in makeshift settings. The production process involves using hazardous and volatile chemicals, which requires expertise and caution. Rhino horn. Rhino horns are made of keratin. It's a similar type of protein that makes up fingernails and hair. In traditional Chinese medicine, it is considered a life-saving medicine. There is a rumor that imbibing horn powder had cured a Vietnamese politician's cancer, which somehow increased the horn demand. Cocaine. Cocaine is a strong, addictive drug, commonly snorted, inhaled, or injected into veins. It is produced from the Erythroxylum coca leaves, which generally grow in the Andes region of South America. Plutonium. Plutonium, a radioactive element obtained from uranium, is used in nuclear reactions. It readily dissolves in concentrated mineral acids and reacts with various elements such as halogens, silicon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and carbon. Primarily known for its use in nuclear weapons, plutonium has also served as an energy source in space missions, including the Mars Curiosity rover and the New Horizons spacecraft. Tridium. A tritium is a radioactive form of hydrogen. Its trace amounts are formed by the interaction of the atmosphere with cosmic rays. It has a relatively short half-life of about 12.3 years, which means it needs to be replenished periodically, adding to the cost of maintaining a stable supply. Diamond. Diamond is the most expensive gemstone, despite the fact it is not the rarest one on Earth. It's an allotrope of carbon with the highest hardness and thermal conductivity. A few diamonds have been dated as far back as 3.3 billion years. Californium. Californium is a radioactive element, first made in 1950 at the University of California Radiation Laboratory. It doesn't occur naturally on Earth. It has to be created using either a particle accelerator or a nuclear reactor. Antimatter. Antimatter is a substance made up of antiparticles, which have the same mass as particles of ordinary matter, but carry opposite charges. While antimatter can be produced in particle accelerators or specific types of radioactive decay, the amounts generated are minuscule. Its scarcity and production complexity are the fundamental factors that make it expensive to obtain in significant quantities. Making 1 gram of antimatter would require 25 million billion kilowatt-hours of energy. When antimatter particles interact with matter particles, they annihilate each other and produce massive amounts of energy. This could be used as fuel for interplanetary or interstellar travel. White truffles. Truffles are a type of underground fungus, often shaved into a granular form. They can be used in various culinary dishes to add a rich and earthy flavor. The white truffles are rare. They are only available for a couple of months of the year, almost exclusively from one portion of Italy. They have a unique smell like a combination of musk, nuts, and ozone. Saffron. Saffron is widely used in Indian, European, and Turkish cuisines. There are a few pieces of evidence that say saffron helps with major depressive disorder. It may also help relieve the symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. Iranian Beluga caviar. Iranian Beluga caviar, also known as almas, comes from fish eggs found in the Caspian Sea, the world's largest saltwater lake. The fish harvested for caviar are nearly 800 kilograms, and the eggs themselves are the largest of the commonly used roes. Almas is typically sourced from a female centennial sturgeon, making it the rarest type of beluga caviar with very limited production.